Are you wondering how to wash silk pillowcases? Learn how to wash silk pillowcases and sheets to keep them in the best condition. Sleeping on silk is such a relaxing feeling. I wake up feeling pampered and renewed each morning. Even if you don't want to use all silk bedding, using silk pillowcases with regular cotton sheets is still an option. Washing silk requires a special technique if you want it to stay fresh and soft. Keep in mind that silk is a natural fiber. To care for silk fibers, you will want to wash them carefully. When washing silk pillowcases, hand washing with mild detergent is best. You can use your washing machine if you like, just machine wash on the gentle cycle. Fill a sink or bathtub with lukewarm water and add a small amount of gentle detergent. Swish around to create suds. Turn the silk pillowcase inside out. Gently place your silk pillowcase or sheet into the water and let it soak for up to 30 minutes. Use your hands to gently agitate the fabric and work the suds into it. Rinse well with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Gently press out excess moisture. Never wring out excess water. Hang or lay your silk pillowcases flat to dry. Larger objects can hang on a drying rack. Never put silk in the dryer. Iron on low heat if needed to remove wrinkles. Use a silk setting if you have one. I also recommend a pressing cloth. You can wash your silk pillowcase as often as you like. If you sleep on it every night, you might want to wash it once a week. But if you only use it occasionally, it can be washed less often. If you have a stain on your silk clothing or bedding, it's best to take it to the dry cleaner. Check out the blog post for more tips.